Hi guys, welcome back to Shadic Reacts. And Jurassic Park Dominion just have been released. I watched the movie. It was a really great movie. There was Giganto in it. If you guys don't know what Giganto is, go back to one of my other dinosaur videos and you will find out. And Jurassic Park Dominion was a great movie. So I thought of an idea. Why don't I draw Giganto? Yeah guys, today we are going to be drawing Giganto. And let's go on. So we are finally done with the drawing. The drawing is like a great one. I didn't even know it will turn out this good. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I will see you. Bye-bye.